You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation from Dutch. If you want to learn more Dutch, names and vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. How do you say good morning in the Netherlands in Dutch? Goedemorgen. Goede, meaning good obviously. Goedemorgen. Goedemorgen is how you say good morning in Dutch, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.